Hey everybody, so we got a quick tool haul to do from Orileys. I got a power and ground probe as well as another item, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Alright, this is going to be just a quick tool haul, quick look video. The unboxing will be in a separate video, but this is a light and sound hook probe circuit tester. Test circuits with power on. Audible buzzer confirms a working circuit. Comes with 3 interchangeable tips for a variety of testing applications. It has a piercing probe, a short needle point, and the long needle point. And this is item number 86273. I got both of these items from Orileys. It has a detailed set of information on the back. Audible circuit tester with interchangeable tips. Test 6 12-volt circuits with power on. Interchangeable tips allow tool to be used as a probe or a pierce type tester. Retains wire for perfect pierce with one hand. Hook grabs. Hard to reach wires, durable insulated clip, and heavy duty cord for professional use. Spring loaded strain relief prevents cord pullout and damage. High intensity glow for under hood and under dash visibility. Easy to hear buzzer provides quick circuit test confirmation. Instructions: test 6 and 12 volt circuits with power on, not for computer sensor circuits. Use conduct type computer safe tester. 86270. Attach appropriate tip to handle based on testing needs. Attach clip to ground. To probe components with probe tip, attach touch tool to connection or component. Tester will glow and buzzer will sound if the power is present. Tester will not glow and buzzer will not sound if circuit is open or if component is defective. Release tension on probe collar. Internal spring will return tester to original position. It has information on to pierce wires, caution, and then it has everything else, same information in Spanish. This right here is a small little voltage meter for USB devices. It's got a two USB outs, one on each side, USB in. Monitor voltage and current of your USB device. It is part number Whiskey 3002. It is a performance tool product. Easy to read, dual color LED readout shows red for amperage and blue for voltage. Used to check the output voltage and ampage of a mobile charger, cables, power usage of your device, and compare the performance of USB chargers. Dual USB outputs can also be used for device charging, data transfer, and for charging mobile phones, tablets, and other devices. It's just a quick little tool haul from Orileys Auto Parts. Stick around for the unboxing. We might be using this today as well as the one I got from AutoZone with the LCD display. As well as we'll compare it to one of the older ones I have, which is one from Harbor Freight, and maybe later down the road we'll also do a comparison with the OTC ones that I have that light up the red LED. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.